this fridge is a hot mess. Nothing is organized. Nothing is like, yeah, it's just a mess, okay? I just have shit thrown everywhere. There's no order to anything, and I don't like it. Like, I have lettuce with Dr. Pepper in the same drawer. We're about to fix this. So I'm gonna take everything out. I bought some things to try to make my life easier in here. Plus I have the room. I got this drink thing. I'm gonna put it in here. I think that will help with like the boys' drinks and Christopher's drinks and stuff in the morning. Keep it organized. And then I also bought like more like drawers and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this. Mainly like for like my vegetables and stuff, but I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna take everything out though and fix this hot mess. I mean, I literally got green beans over here in the door, and then some fruits and vegetables down here. I got cheeses and bacon and Gatorade in this drawer. Like, I'm not kidding. We just started throwing shit in here. Anyway, it needs to be fixed. It's driving me crazy. There's no system to this. I can now fit 3 bottles of wine in my fridge. Yep. I don't have a problem with you. Granted, I mean, it is Super Bowl, and I actually bought 2 of these for me and Cammy tonight, okay? I got half pickles of half pickles. Bloom down here and bloom up there. Still have the plastic on my fridge. I should have done this before I went grocery shopping, but I didn't. So this thing does have adhesive strips to stay. I want it on the top shelf, but Christopher says that we might not be able to do it on the top shelf. We might have to cut this part. I have to cut it, babe. Basically all the condiments right here. Okay. Pickles. Garlic cream cheese. Why? Cold foam for your coffee. 2 best things in this house. I'm gonna put the Danimals in the door. For now, those are gonna go right there. But if I get a bigger case from like Sam's Club, we might have to redirect where those go. Okay, it's a little long, so it can't go up there. It has to go down here, and it still kind of sticks out, but not far, but we can still close our fridge. So I think it's gonna be fine. Just trying to keep the drinks kind of in order and also easier on travel day. I did get the bars for in here since this fridge is bigger and not as compact. I got the bars to go across for travel day so nothing slides forward, but I'm trying to organize our drinks a little bit better. Not coming at me. Boom. Alex so much better. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around and actually show you. Much better. Now I feel like I can function. I really like this drink thing. I think that's a smart choice. Like I said, it ain't going nowhere. So that's a plus. Yeah, no more rolling around drinks. Okay, this is good to go. So I don't know about the drawers. I might see what they look like put together and see if I can put them in there, but I doubt I'd use them. I bet I'd return them. It was a good thought though. All right, anyway, now let's get the rest of this house in order and get ready for the Super Bowl. All right, hope you have a good day and we'll catch you later. Bye.